Okay, good morning to everybody. So I have a question. I was wondering, right, if you can actually make money online doing all of these make money online videos on YouTube. You guys already watch. You guys already watched and already seen so many different kinds of YouTube videos online talking about, hey man, you can earn so and so amount of money in so and so amount of days. Maybe you guys already watched all these videos and maybe you guys always have these questions, all of these burning questions, whether do they work or not? Do they work or not? Right? Because you guys do not want to waste your time. I understand, right? I understand. Me included, right? So in this video, I'm gonna attempt this video right here, where I'm gonna be able to earn $1.20 every minute, right? Supposedly, and I'm gonna attempt it. And let's make some money online, man.
Toluna is a platform where you can get paid for taking some simple surveys and sharing your opinion by participating in exciting market research projects for you. Toluna is available in 70 plus countries around the world.
Alright. The app in question, it is Toluna. Toluna.com. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we have to influence your world. Influencers is a community where you can voice your opinion and get rewarded instantly by participating in exciting market research projects relevant to you. Right? Sign in? I will do that. But before that, right, I have a question. I have another question that I have to ask the internet. Alright, so check this out. Of course, you have to head to Trustpilot, right? We need to see whether this website is legit or not, right? Because my opinion alone is not gonna weigh that much, right? So we have to see other people's opinions as well. Alright, so over here, it seems pretty legit in all honesty, right? Because we are looking at 137409 worth of reviews, and it's great. And it has like 4.1 stars. Not too bad. We are off to a good start. And then 5 stars, it is like 55%, 4 stars, 21%, 3 stars, 12%, and then 4%, 8% for 2 star and 1 star. Alright, let's just see the first one. It says, attention Jordan. In response to your reply under my message, I've already contacted Toluna on numerous occasions, and they do nothing or just cut me rudely. When are you doing to fix your reward system? There are absolutely no rewards to make it worthwhile completing a survey. Hey man, this is not what I want to hear, man. We are not off to a good start. We already have such a thing. You know what I mean? Like, I don't want to waste my time because if the reward system is, it's not working properly, then we're not going to be able to get paid $1.20 every minute. Not worth your time. I created an account and tried over and over to complete surveys. I was repeatedly kicked out or just started over with no explanation. Never said that I was not the demographic they were looking for. It was always said, complete the survey and get 4,000 points. It would ask primary basic questions, kick me out and give me 100 points. Try over a dozen survey. Not worth the time. Man. It's only 2 years ago, by the way, so it's pretty updated. It's really, really recent, so this is not a good sign. That's all I gotta say. Alright, so these are the reviews that I'm looking at, and they're not exactly the best. Alright, let's just try some 5-star reviews over here. I like Toluna. I've been a member of Toluna for quite a while and visit the Toluna site every day to check out the surveys and the games available. I had for the first time last year a problem redeeming £15 on PayPal after reaching the points redemption amount. I contacted the Toluna team and they sorted it out for me. I enjoy the variety of their surveys. Some are a little longer than stated, but I still do them. I look forward to being a Toluna member for many years. Wow, I like that. Best survey app yet. I've been using Toluna since 2021 and it has since been such a seamless journey. All the vouchers available when you complete surveys work at all the retailers they offer, and you can even donate them directly to different causes. Would totally recommend Toluna. Hey man, that's all I need to hear, man. That's all I need to hear. 5 stars, man. 5 stars from Anel, right? That's a good sign. Right, so there's still a lot of different 5-star reviews over here, and they're all mentioning surveys are fun to do, the games are fun to do as well, and for the most part, according to the video, we will be doing surveys. Yeah, and that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so let's just go ahead and register for an account at Toluna first, and I'll get back to you guys. Yo, I'm done. So I'm at the Toluna influencer side of things. This is the dashboard, and then we're gonna go ahead and earn some points because we want to earn some money over here. So according to the video, what we have to do first is that we gotta go ahead and take a survey right here at the priority service over here, which is recommended for me.
A few moments later. Much later.
Alright, boom! So apparently I earned 70 points from completing a survey. So it was kind of like a short survey asking me like, basic questions about my particulars, right? My own personal particulars. So I kind of like did the survey and I earned 70 points. Yeah, so that's a good thing, I guess. But how much do we need in order to withdraw? And how much is 70 points worth in terms of dollars and actual cents, right? So that is a question that I want to find out first. And let's see what we can do next. Alright guys, so I found the reward section right here and I give it a quick click over there. And then you guys can see over here, right? These are like the rewards that I can withdraw in. So obviously we are here for the money, right? We want the cash. So let's ignore the others for now and let's just look at PayPal because that is the only place where we are able to withdraw in terms of dollars and cents. But I kind of have like bad news over here because let's take a look. So for PayPal, right? PayPal is the most popular way to pay online, blah blah blah, and a minimum available balance of 81,600 points. 81,600 points, that's what is needed in order to withdraw a payment of 40 SGD, right? So there's around like, I don't know man, $30 USD around there also, if I'm not wrong. And then the other thing is that if you want to withdraw, right, we need to wait up to 4 weeks, which is like 1 month. One entire month in order to just get our $40. And it's like 81,000 points, 81,000 points. And then let's just say that the amount of surveys that we have to do. Alright, let's just take a look. So over here, right, the survey section, there's like different kind of categories. There's the lifestyle, the food, and then general. That's basically it. There's only like 3 different categories. And most of them actually just pay up to like 3,000 points, 4,000 points, 300 points, right? But there are like the 20,000 points over here, which requires like 1 hour of your time. But these surveys, right, is quite tricky because sometimes they don't exactly give you the full points. If you are not their target audience, right, if you do not give a certain answer that they're looking for in terms of the profile, right, they might just reject you and then just not give you the points. They'll kick you out basically. They'll kick you out of the entire survey and they will not reward you with the points. Yeah, so that's another thing to consider before you guys attempt the survey, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and at least just try one of the surveys right here. I'm gonna go with the general one, which is 2 minutes. Alright, over here, I'll give you a quick click right here.
1 hour later.
Alright man, so like I said, this may or may not work. Because I explained earlier on, right? They are looking for a slightly different profile. Yeah, so if you are answering questions and you're not giving them the answer that they're looking for, you may or may not even be qualified to take up the surveys. So that is one thing. That's one very important thing. So like I said, all these points over here, they look very, tempting, right? But if you do not hit, like I said, you do not hit the requirements of their pre-requirement checks, right? Then you may or may not even get to participate in the survey. Yeah, so this is something that we should really pay attention of. It's not sunshine and rainbows, like I said. It's not as straightforward as it seems, right? So that's another thing that we really have to consider. Because like I said, I tried to attend one of these surveys earlier on, and this is what I'm being faced with because apparently they're not looking for my profile, right? They are looking for a slightly different profile. So that is a thing, right? But I did answer the questions, right? I did answer the survey to the best of my ability, but I'm not their target audience, man. Another thing is that I'm just gonna try the 20,000 point over here.
1 eternity later.
Alright, I'm not sure whether you guys can see over here, but I'm kind of like waiting for the survey to load according to the page that I'm at right now. It told me that they will take a few seconds to load, but it's not loading. So that's obviously a bad sign because I can't participate in this survey, right? The 20,000 point survey, the one that has the most amount of points, which requires like 60 minutes of my time to do the survey, and it's not working. It's not working. As far as for this survey, I do not think it works. Alright, so let me give you guys a quick conclusion about this entire survey. Well, like I said earlier on, if you are not the target audience that you're looking for, you may or may not be able to participate in the surveys. And once you click on the survey, right, apparently the survey is gone, right? I can't participate again. Yeah, so if you click on the survey and then you give them some kind of unsatisfactory answer, right, and then you are not going to be able to participate in the survey again because I already clicked on some of the surveys and some of the surveys that I clicked on is gone, right? It's gone, meaning to say that at my dashboard, it's gone. I no longer have access to it. So That's one thing, right? That's one thing. You guys obviously give fake answers, right? But if you give fake answers, maybe you might not be chosen for the survey as well, right? So it's quite, you know what I'm trying to say, it's quite risky also. Like, you never know what's going to happen with the surveys over here. Yeah. And then another thing is that it takes a long time to answer the surveys. And another thing is that all these surveys, right, what are they going to be doing with our information? That's another thing, right? That's another thing that I do not want to comment on, because you already know it's quite sketchy whenever it comes to surveys, right? Because most of the time they will use your information and maybe they sell your information and they do something with the information. We never know, right? We never know. So that's another thing that I would be wary of, right? And then the other thing is that in order to withdraw, we have to earn like 80,000 points, right? Then we can withdraw from the PayPal, which is like $40 SGD. I would say it's like $30 worth of USD, right? Estimated. And then I said, it is, I do feel like there's other methods out there that can actually, there's more worth your time. I'm pretty sure you guys, right, whatever you guys are working on right now, you guys are probably getting paid more than this survey right here, right? I do not think this is worth your time. This is not worth your time. And like I said, it's very volatile, it's very risky, because you only have like one shot, right? You literally only have one shot. If you do not give them the answer that they are looking for, if you do not fit into their target audience for their surveys, you will basically get kicked out. Yeah, you just get kicked out and you will not be able to earn any points. That's it. So in conclusion, I feel like this is not exactly the best way to make money online. There are most definitely better ways out there to make money online. And with the time that is being invested for this make money online video, right, I think you guys can most definitely invest in other ways to make money online. Alright, so if you guys want to find a better way to make money online, click the first link at the description box down below. I'll be giving you guys a free 1,372 digital product ideas list. And if you guys want the ideas, go ahead and click on it. And if you guys want a step-by-step online business guide to start your digital product online business, right, go ahead. It's going to be included inside as well. It's free, both of it, and it's a community as well. So you guys can obviously ask one another questions and have all of your questions answered. Alright, so click the link and I'll see all of you guys inside.